Hello, I'm Dr. Marston, and I will be your physician for your clinic visit. I wanted you to see this video to let you know that you are in good hands, you are surrounded by a world-class team, and that we will all be working together to manage your care to achieve the very best outcome for you today. I've been an orthopedic surgeon since 2003 and have the pleasure of being part of the University of Minnesota and Health Partners team at Regions since 2003 as well. I've become a specialist in the area of hip and knee replacement and have participated in new forms of treatment in this area. When I'm not at work, I enjoy spending time with my wife, son, and 4 daughters. I'm sure you are looking forward to getting back to your previous lifestyle. At Health Partners, we are committed to identifying your unique needs and tailoring a program for recovery that works best for you. For this process to be effective, you can expect a few things from your visit today. First, we will conduct an exam. This will likely involve an X-ray or occasionally may require the use of more advanced imaging services like a CT scan or MRI. We will discuss with you your treatment options and listen to you to answer questions and learn of your concerns regarding treatment and recovery. Thank you for choosing our team. I'm looking forward to working with you toward recovery.